If you're here, you probably want to install Copilot Cowork. So first, go to Google. You will need to be in the Frontier program. If you already are in the Frontier program, skip to chapter 2 of this video. The timestamps are down below. So I'm in Google right now. I typed in Copilot Frontier program, and I'm going to take this second link right here. The link will be in the description down below. Once you click on this link, you will arrive on this page right here. So you need a few things for having access to Copilot Cowork. You basically need the Frontier program, right? So how do you get the Frontier program? You just click here on this page, and you need to have a paid M365 Copilot license. No paid license, no Frontier program, no Cowork. And then you need to make sure your organization is opt-in in the Frontier. You need to then sign in. I will show you exactly how. So basically you click on Get Started, and you do all these steps to join the Frontier program, all right? Once you are in the Frontier program, you will head over to m365copilot.com, which you can see on my screen right now. So right now, I am in the Frontier program, which enables a lot of features in Copilot, a lot of beta features, including Cowork as of recording this video. You can see on my screen, I already have Cowork right here, but it won't be your case if you just join the program. You will need to click on All Agents right here. Once you click on that, you can type in the search bar Cowork, and then you will see Cowork Frontier. And then when it's the first time that you install Cowork, you will see here it should be written Add. In my case, it's written Open. I click on Open, and then you will be able to do some stuff with Cowork. And I have a video right here that shows some use case, and trust me, it's amazing. If you enjoyed this video, if this was useful, please hit the like button. Else, watch this video right now.